Yo, what is going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fishman, back at you again with another fishing video. All right, guys, excited to have you on today. We're doing an unboxing. We have a brand new Spyderco pocket knife. I was gifted this by my cousins in Colorado. I want to give a big shout out to Amber and Derek. Thank you so much for the gift. And without further ado, here it is, the Pacific Salt 2 by Spyderco. Beautiful pocket knife. Right up my alley. This thing is actually made in Japan. Spyderco usually makes most of their knives in the United States, in Colorado, but this one, because of the blade, the specific blade steel, it was made in Japan. So check it out, it's a beautiful knife. Spyderco also has this patented loop hole here. It'll knock down on weight. Very lightweight, very sturdy knife. This is made for the saltwater guys, so it's perfect for me. I'm definitely going to use and abuse it, and I'll let you know what I think. And I'll come back. I'll probably give it about a 2-week run, and then we'll come back and give you the results, see if it's rusted out or anything. I use and abuse my stuff, so this will be a perfect knife for me, whether I'm cutting fishing line, cutting fish up, or boxes, whatever it may be. It's going to get used. So very cool knife. Let's see what else we got in here. Little Spyderco decal sticker, and then looks like we got a warranty and a nice little pad. So very nice box, very professionally made. These are not cheap knives. They're very nice. This is my first high-end pocket knife, if you will, so I'm excited to have it. I'm excited to take care of it, and I will let you guys know what I think of it. But it's the Pacific Salt 2 by Spyderco, and she is a beauty. So I'll be back on here and let you guys know what I think. If you're new to the channel, thanks for coming by. We do fishing, saltwater predominantly, but I'm down for whatever. So hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. If not, thanks for hanging out with me anyway, guys. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Here's something I wanted to try right out of the box. Let's see how she cuts. Well, that's pretty good. Right out of the box, that's sharp. That's sharp. Very nice. Beautiful. Guys, I got my Spyderco. Got this here lizard fish. About to cut him up for some shark bait right now. Just like that. Here's like the head. Pacific Salt 2. Looking good as the day I bought it, or I got gifted it. All right, fishing friends. It has been about 3-4 weeks. It's almost been a month since I first started my review of the Spyderco knife. And let me tell you, I got to be honest with you guys, I absolutely love it. I've never been a pocket knife guy, so to speak. But this knife right here makes it to where I want to have it on me. To be perfectly frank with you, I hate having stuff in my pocket. Keys, wallets, anything, knives. And I have found myself, like, on the days that I don't have this, being like, dang, I wish I had my pocket knife. I wish I had my pocket knife. Couple key things for me. Number one, it's sharp. It is razor sharp. It stayed razor sharp. It hasn't lost its edge at all. I mean, it is sharp as the day that I got it. I did just run it under some water, so it's a little bit wet there. But it is sharp as the day that I got it. That's number one. So that has to be, pocket knife needs to be sharp. Number two, it's light. It is so light. A lot of times when I have stuff in my pocket, I feel like it's dragging it down, or I'm, pulling my pants up and all this stuff. Like, I can feel it. This, I don't know it's there. That being said, the clip, super sturdy. Never felt like it was gonna come off. Sometimes I'm sitting in weird positions on the boat or in the kayak where it's hanging at an angle to where other pocket knives that I've had would fall off. That didn't happen. Super great construction of this clip. I mean, you can hear it, it's rock solid. It's on there. So number C, super durable construction here. I mean, I'm a big guy, I'm a strong guy, and when I flex on this and when I put pressure on this, you don't feel anything move, anything budge. I can't tell you how many cheapo depot knives that I've actually broken. Those cheap box sets that you get from Walmart or Target or something like that. I just will break them. And this thing here, I put all the power, all the pressure down, no wiggle, no give. It's still as solid as the day that I got it. So besides all that, it's just cool looking. I just think it's the coolest looking pocket knife ever. And it's versatile. So, hey, my first Spyderco knife was a green light. I would definitely buy it again, or it was gifted to me, and I would buy one though. So check it out, Pacific Salt 2. Oh, the best part, salt corrosion. Not one speck of rust on this bad boy at all. It's been in the salt. There's been days when it's been completely dipped in the salt and I did not rinse it off. Came back the next day and forgot. I was like, oh, let me rinse it off. Good as gold. So I've literally had stuff rust that wasn't even in the water close to it within a couple weeks. So this has been used and abused, highly tested. Spyderco Pacific Salt 2. If you don't have one, go grab one. Any hunter, fisherman, outdoorsman, or just anybody who wants to just be ready for whatever situation they're in should grab you one of these. I highly recommend it. I'm Dan the Fish Man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for taking the time to check out this review. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day.